The Nifty Grower 75-foot garden hose delivers a consistent, strong water stream thanks to its reinforced inner tube, making everyday watering tasks feel effortless. Its durable outer fabric is designed to resist abrasion and kinking, so the hose glides smoothly around corners and rough surfaces without cutting off the flow. Solid 3/4-inch brass connectors with an integrated shutoff valve create a tight, dependable seal on standard outdoor faucets, reducing the chance of drips or leaks over time. Despite its generous length, this hose is surprisingly light in weight, which makes it comfortable to carry across the yard and easy to maneuver for people of different ages and strengths. The flexible construction helps prevent tangles and makes the hose simple to coil up, and the included storage bag keeps it neatly contained between uses. Overall, the combination of steady water flow, leak-resistant fittings, and lightweight, flexible design makes this hose a practical upgrade over traditional heavy rubber options.